Hello everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, giving you a tutorial of self-facial to eliminate the dead skin cells, blackheads, excess oil, and all that stuff that you don't like. Now right there, as you can see, I have a steamer on, okay? The steamer is right on my face. You don't see the vapor, but yeah, I got the steamer right on my face. I'm using the scrubber, or better known as exfoliator. This is to remove the excess oil, dead skin cells, all that good stuff. Now I'm using a hot towel to get rid of the scrubber slash exfoliator. And this is a self tutorial of a facial showing you guys how it's done, what you guys get when you ask for this service. And now I'm applying the black mask, and the steamer is off, and I'm applying the black mask, and the black mask is what gets rid of the blackheads. You have to be very rich pour on your face. The black, I just turn off the steamer right there. And usually when people ask for a combo of haircut and facial, I do the facial first, and then I apply the black mask. Then I give them the fan so they can keep the fan on their face. And what I'm doing right now is, after, I'm gonna say 20-30 minutes of having the fan on your face, the black mask gets dry and good to peel off. So now I'm peeling off the black mask. This procedure has to be done with gloves. Never do this without gloves. Always try your best. I know it's hard, but try your best to take off the black mask on an up face position. After the black mask is all gone, there's always a little bit spot here and there left on your face. You use another hot towel to get rid of it. And since your face is very clean, it's also going to be sensitive. That's the only con of having the face very clean. My nose and around my cheeks is very oily. There is a toner that I'm applying. It's like a pore repair, all right? Because your face gets sensitive for a little bit. I'm gonna say for like a day, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else to it. All right. I also do a massage during the scrubber. During the scrubber or exfoliator, I also do a massage with the steamer right in front of you to promote all those dead skin cells out of there. You already know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe. Eli the Barber coming right. And don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for your support.